How to permanently delete your Instagram account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete your Instagram account permanently. Now to do so, first you want to make sure that your Instagram application is updated to the latest version. Once you do so, you want to open up your Instagram and make sure you're logged into your account that you wish to delete. Once here, you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom of your screen at the bottom right, and then you want to tap on the three horizontal line icon or the hamburger icon at the top right. Once there, you can see list of options. You want to head into settings and privacy. Here you want to select the option account center, and under account center you want to head into the option that says personal details, and here you want to select account ownership and control, and then tap on deactivation or deletion. You want to simply select your Instagram account if you have multiple accounts, that is, if you have multiple accounts related or connected, then it'll show up here. So you want to simply tap on your particular Instagram account and then select the option delete account, and then go ahead and continue. There it'll ask you for password and certain prompts, and you have to go through the verification process and you'll be good to go. So this way you can permanently delete your Instagram account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.